Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss the latest updates on United States weather forecast between March 5th to March 7th. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any important updates. Thank you. Widespread showers and thunderstorms bringing areas of moderate rainfall continue this morning along a slow-moving cold front stretching from the Great Lakes into the middle and lower Mississippi Valley. Storm chances will shift into the lower Great Lakes southwestward through the Ohio and Tennessee valleys through the day Tuesday as the front makes some eastward progress. To the south, another frontal boundary along the Gulf Coast will lift northward, bringing with it additional Gulf moisture and storm chances into the southeast. A wave of low pressure is expected to develop along the boundary overnight Tuesday as the system shifts northeastward into the Carolinas. More widespread moderate to locally heavy rainfall is expected through the region with an isolated threat of flash flooding. Meanwhile, a coastal low in the mid-Atlantic will continue northward bringing light to moderate showers from the mid-Atlantic into New England Tuesday. By Wednesday, the low-pressure system over the southeast will begin to better organize and shift northeastward along the coast towards the mid-Atlantic/New England. The frontal system over the Great Lakes will move eastward into the northeast as well, helping to focus a renewed round of heavier showers along a northeastward axis from the coastal mid-Atlantic through New England. A slight risk of excessive rainfall, level February 5th, is in place for portions of southern New England where the heaviest rainfall will overlap wet antecedent conditions and areas with higher stream flows, which may result in some scattered instances of flash flooding. Some wintry precipitation may mix in north of the cold front over northern New England overnight Wednesday. One more day of heavy higher elevation/mountain snows continues in the west as an energetic jet stream sits over a quasi-stationary boundary and an influx of Pacific moisture focused through northern California and the southern Pacific Northwest into the northern Great Basin and Rockies. Several more inches of snow are forecast in the regional mountain range from the southern Cascades and northern Sierra east to the Tetons in Wyoming. Colder air settling in with the front has brought snow levels lower, bringing snow to interior lower elevation valley locations as well from southern Oregon into western Idaho. Another Pacific storm system dropping southward along the California coast will help to shift the influx of Pacific moisture southward by Wednesday, finally bringing improving conditions as snowfall tapers off. Along the coast, some locally heavy rainfall is expected Tuesday for northern California, shifting southward with the system into southern California Wednesday. Here, more sensitive conditions due to recent high-profile rainfall events may lead to an isolated but non-zero threat of flash flooding. Elsewhere, an upper-level shortwave will help to deepen/better organize a low-pressure/frontal system lingering over the northern plains Wednesday, leading to increasing precipitation chances. Some accumulating snowfall looks possible along the Canadian border from northern North Dakota into northern Minnesota by early Thursday. Further south, another organizing frontal system will also bring increasing precipitation chances to the central and southern plains, with some showers and thunderstorms forecast overnight Wednesday into early Thursday. High temperatures will remain well above average by 10 to 20 degrees for the lower 48 east of the Rockies through midweek. Some even greater anomalies will be found in the upper Ohio Valley/lower Great Lakes Tuesday as temperatures once again reach into the 70s, 25 to 35 degrees above average. The cold front passing through by Wednesday will make temperatures relatively cooler, but still above average, with highs in the upper 40s to low 60s. The warmest temperatures will be found along the western Gulf Coast into southern Texas with highs in the mid-80s to low 90s. A few daily record-tying/breaking highs may be reached in both locations. Otherwise, along the East Coast, forecast highs range between the 40s and 50s in New England, 50s and 60s in the Mid-Atlantic, 60s and 70s for the Southeast, and 70s and 80s into Florida. For central portions of the country, highs will be in the 40s and 50s for the northern plains/upper Midwest. 50s and 60s from the Central Plains through the Middle Mississippi Valley and into the Lower Ohio Valley, and the 60s and 70s for the Southern Plains and Lower Mississippi Valley. In the West, highs will remain near or below average as mean troughing remains in place, with temperatures ranging from the 20s and 30s for the northern Rockies/adjacent high plains, 30s and 40s for the Great Basin and Pacific Northwest, 50s and 60s for California, and 60s and 70s in the Southwest. Thanks for watching.